have just landed at Changi International Airport. It's with Pacific Air welcomes you to Singapore.
That's the vortex. Then, merong dumadaan na train right there. It's so nice. How is it so far?
Dito na ako magtatrabaho.
There's a lot din naman na food choices like inside. But I think it's just expensive. It's kind of expensive. I think yung akin pa lang, the set alone is 380 pesos. Chicken. Mabilis ah. Room tour. Hello, it's kind of small but I think bigger kasi sa ibang rooms. Table and chair. My bed. And then there's also TV, a small fridge. Then a mini closet. That's the bathroom. I don't know where the switch is. Teka. Okay, ayan. Better. Hi. So far, it's so clean. Ang linis. Grabe. Parang pang 4 stars. It's a boutique hotel, pero ang ganda. And the view, look at this. We're just right beside Holiday Inn, actually. Tapos, City Square Mall. And then, another mall right there. So, yeah, this is located in Little India. And so far, it's giving.
Estoy enamorada porque cuando veo cosas muy bonitas pienso en ti como un cafecito en la primavera se siente tan rico y tu aroma enloquece las flores y
Ayan na po siya. He's doing his thing.
6.8 yan. Ito, i-divide mo ng 1.09.
order ko. Yeah.
Tamis pa lang no.
Ano ba yan?
Parang fishball. Fishball na...
Baka iyaw.
Oh, ang sarap eh.
Rather pagod.
So, dito tayo sa Little India.
Farming?
Hindi ko alam. Pero mukha naman.
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower in the bloom. I could shower you with love. You can keep the keys to unlock your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a food with the boundaries. You took the words right out of my mouth. Just need a good these guys don't finish last. They just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a menace. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Go and get good girl whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Hi.
Hello, we're gonna try
Bro.
Creo que me estoy hundiendo en tus flores. For you, I give you all my love.
Pwede natin gawin dito.
My love, tómalo, mi cafecito de amor.
Kanina kami sa Merlion.
Umulan.
Maambon.
But it stopped. It stopped.
So,
Thank you, Lord.
Yo tango estoy en las nubes porque estás conmigo y ay, eres mi abrigo cuando está frío y ay, eres el calorcito del cariño.
Kamusta?
I give you all my love, tómalo, mi cafecito de amor, amor. Even when you shed a tear, I'll catch them as they drop, make them disappear. Y cuando el mundo te pese, te aliviaré el peso con besos. No me importa, no me importa. You're the only one for me.
Hi, good morning.
Yo!
We're gonna go to Harbourfront Sentosa and ride a cable car going to Sentosa Island. And then Luge, tapos Universal Studios.
How is this even possible?
Yung mga taong hindi sumakay ng bus. Dito na pupunta. 1,000 steps na, tapos wala pang kain, though. Ito na.
Hindi na pababa dito.
Daming tao. First ride.
I keep on just wishing I see you. I don't even know how to be by myself, yeah. My stomach been twisting and turning, my thoughts running circles. You're bad for my health, yeah. I know this is bad for me, but I'll walk it happily. My friends to stay away, I didn't listen. I was like asking for help. I'm addicted to you. I feel a withdrawal deep in my system. I need a nicotine patch for a regress. I cold turkey got cut out the picture. That's a deli line, took your number trying to be next. Her last man dressed like a Gap mannequin. A packed son of a gun, I can't stand this shit, I can't stomach it. How you gonna go date banana Republicans? At least they what I see.
Almost died. Tayo na magtikta mamatay.
Ay, yung sala rin, no? This one.
Ayaw na umulit.
I'm gonna rate this ride 9 out of 10.
Ganda.
Out of 10.
Nakakagulat.
Kasi it's so scary, pero yung ride, lahat ng efforts, effects, solid. Pero it's so scary, nakapikit lang ako all the time. We're here in Mel's Diner because that Mel. Then, I ordered the kids meal, sliders, and nuggets na pala, then fries, and also a drink na for $15. Then, he got, what's your order?
Crispy chicken burger.
Yan din second choice ko. Medyo mahal. $16. Only $1 difference. Tapos, may free sa akin do. This is for potato. Hi! So, these are the things that we bought. Love Bonito, a dress from Love Bonito, and matcha coffee.
Stop. Stop. Basta malalasam yun. Munggo. Yung parang munggo niya.
Going to Flower Dome first. Another one. Another one? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Parang ano, di ako fit to fly later. Parang delayed din kasi.
Hindi delay ngayon. May dinosaur. Umugod yung dinosaur. Ayun. Daming dinosaur.